Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back, and today I bought the cheapest Subaru WRX that I could find in the country. If you guys are new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So at first glance, when we're looking at the cheapest Subaru WRX in the country, it doesn't look bad. Although I will say that this does come with its own problems. We're gonna get to that a little bit later. I want to tell you guys about all of the benefits of this transaction and why I specifically chose this car. I did go and test drive some other vehicles, so it was nice to kind of settle on something a little close to home. I did buy this car in Southern California. So I paid $18,000 for this Subaru WRX. It's finished in either blue. I don't know what this blue is called, but it's rather pretty. It has 39,000 miles on it, one owner. It's got a couple of tasteful mods, nothing too serious, pretty much just these wind deflectors and some tint. I think it has the stock exhaust, but yeah, I mean, it's an overall good car. It drives fine, no complaints there, and it handles like a dream. That being said, it is old. It's a 2017 Subaru WRX. It has some known issues. We got a faded hood scoop, pretty much all just cosmetic issues, nothing mechanical. I mean, like I said, it drives fine. A faded valence. We have a little bit of clear coat damage. We'll figure that out in the near future, but yeah, the body's straight, no complaints there. The brakes are at 3 millimeters in the rear, so we will have to replace those. And the lug nuts on each wheel is missing a lug nut. Pretty sure the studs are fine. I'll show you guys the inside of the vehicle. We'll go under the hood as well. So this Subaru is powered by a turbocharged FA20 motor. It has a top mount intercooler, a top mount oil filter for some weird reason, and yeah, I mean, the engine bay is rather dirty. We'll have to clean that. We do have a new battery in there, and then you can kind of see there's some Freon that has leaked onto this line down here, but other than that, there's no problems mechanically with the car. We'll go inside. The interior is actually very clean. We have some carbon fiber trim. Like I said, it is the 6-speed manual, and the seats are great. I mean, these seats are clean, the bolsters are firm, no complaints there. You can see I already have a radar detector in here. Being in Southern California, you can never be too careful. We'll open up the rear. The rear is open. No, it's not. And the rear seats, again, no complaints, nice and clean. Yeah, nothing really to talk about back here. We'll go ahead and pop the trunk now. I'll show you guys what's going on in here. So I have my detailing kit, and I got some tools and some stuff, because we gotta fix some stuff on here. Namely, we're just doing windshield wipers, brakes, and then lug nuts, just given that the wheels are each missing a lug nut. And we'll get some that kind of lock. Side note, the car doesn't have TPMS sensors in it, and it's got these Lionheart tires. I don't personally trust these tires, although the tread looks fine. So we are probably going to get new tires in the next month or so. The tread is, again, fine. Again, there's just, I don't personally trust the tires. Close this bad boy up. And if you guys haven't figured it out, I did have the hood popped when I started the video. Oh yeah, and this fog light right here is out, so we'll have to get another bulb. But they're yellow, so that's pretty cool. I'm personally glad to have a key again. For those of you who don't know, my truck got stolen about 2 months ago. So it's good to have physical key, although I'm sure that doesn't really stop much. It's just nice to have. We'll turn this down. I'll turn it off actually. You guys can see the mileage maybe. Yep, 39,801 miles. Not too shabby. Again, we have a tire pressure monitoring light, but yeah, the tires are currently up to par. It's a nice place to be on the interior. We do have a sunroof here. Don't really use it. Haven't used it yet. The old owner had a sticker that said Legends here, which is kind of funny. I probably would have just taken off the S for Cameron Legend, but yeah, nice little spot for your radar detector down here to plug in, and then I'm just running it up there. I actually have a hardwire kit that I'm going to install Best Buy. It's just kind of shipping it in right now, so it's not currently on hand. You know, we have to have the stereotypical black ice little tree. I love these. They're probably a great smell. This does not have Apple CarPlay. It's just a very basic audio system nonetheless. That's okay. I do have USB and this, and then once the hardwire kit is in, it's going to really just clean up the wire situation here, so I only have to really look at this wire, which is okay. Might be swapping the system out though in the future, but for right now I don't have any immediate plans. Yeah, I guess we can go for a drive. And I'm sorry if there's any wind noise from the AC. I'm not sure if there is. I would imagine there's probably not. Also, I'm driving and shifting with one hand as if I was eating. I will say that this car does need an alignment. We will have to get that done, but it's relatively easy. It's pretty quick. I don't think this has any mods done, but what I will say, for stock, it has made 21 pounds of boost. You probably can't see that. I can see it, I'll show you later, but yeah, it's kind of cool. Oh man, and it's not a fast car. Like, it's not the fastest car in the world, but it's quick, and a underpowered quick car is probably a little bit better than the fastest powered, you know, car in the world. I do have the LS E46 M3. It is now currently in its new home, so we'll do a video on that in the future. I didn't know I was gonna buy this car. It kind of just popped in front of me and I folded because I don't know how to pass on a good deal. And also, my channel is kind of built on, I don't want to say shitty cars, but it's built on kind of just doing these random side quest builds. I didn't know I was gonna buy my Tundra the day I bought it. I didn't know I was gonna buy my GMC the day I bought it. And in true classic fashion, I didn't know I was gonna buy this car either. I think the only car that I kind of knew I was ever gonna buy was probably my E46 M3. And it's just because, really and truly, I wanted an E46 M3 my entire life. So, woo. Alright, we're gonna go park this and wrap up the video. We'll do a highway drive in the future. I have to get some lug nuts on this, some proper lug nuts. Otherwise, Daddy's gonna die. I did not just call myself Daddy though, don't worry. I 100% did. Fuck. Okay, it's quick. The turbo spool's addicting. Oh man. Alrighty. yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys are new viewers out there and this is your first time stopping by, I do invite you to subscribe. I'm gonna be fixing a lot of the problems that are inherent with this vehicle in the next video, so you guys are gonna want to stick around. But yeah, for lack of better words, and because I have nothing to say, here's the new build, or here's to the new build. Here is to the new build. I'm not gonna edit any of that out.